Welcome back to Universal Things. Today, we explore a bold question: what if Atlantis was never lost beneath the sea, but hidden beneath our feet? Most people imagine Atlantis sinking into the ocean, swallowed forever by water and time, but some theorists argue the opposite. They believe the ocean story was a distraction, something told to keep humanity looking in the wrong direction. What if the world's greatest civilization didn't vanish? It relocated. Imagine a society millions of years older than humans. A civilization with mathematics beyond quantum physics, energy sources beyond electricity, and architecture stronger than steel. If natural disasters threatened the surface, they had two choices: escape to the sky or escape below the ground. Underground, they could build a world that nothing could destroy. Earth's crust isn't solid like many assume. Deep inside, scientists have discovered massive empty spaces, some large enough to hold entire cities. Ancient texts speak of hollow realms and underworld kingdoms. Were they metaphors or memories of the real Atlantis hiding underground? If Atlantis moved underground, their technology had to be extraordinary. They'd need artificial sunlight, breathable air, and endless power. That might sound impossible, until you realize that today, humans already build underground bunkers, sheep vaults, and entire cities carved into rock. Now imagine a race thousands of times smarter. Power would be the key. Some theories suggest Atlanteans used crystal energy, massive quartz structures capable of storing and releasing energy like advanced batteries. If these crystals powered underground reactors, the civilization could light entire cities using silent, clean energy long before humans existed. But what about food? They could engineer crops that grow without sunlight, plants glowing with bioluminescence, or underground oceans full of life. Some scientists already discovered deep earth microbes that live without sunlight. If simple life can survive down there, why not an entire civilization? If an underground Atlantis exists, it wouldn't look normal. Buildings might hang from cavern ceilings, supported by magnetic fields. Water could flow upward. Streets could be carved from crystal. Their homes silent, glowing, and built to last for eternity. And the people, if they lived underground for thousands of years, they would evolve differently. Their eyes might adapt to low light. Their skin might change color to absorb heat instead of sunlight. They might communicate using vibration or sound, like whales or bats' language carried through stone. Humans might have already crossed their path without realizing it. Miners sometimes hear mechanical humming deep below the earth. Explorers report caverns filled with warm air, strange lights, and perfect geometric stone shapes nothing nature could carve. And then, the tunnels collapse, sealing the mystery. Throughout history, ancient cultures worldwide describe powerful beings emerging from underground. Mayans, Greeks, Hindus, Native Americans all spoke of hidden kingdoms beneath the earth. Could these myths be memories of Atlanteans making rare contact with early humans? If Atlantis really hides under us, why stay hidden? Maybe they witnessed humanity's wars, pollution, and greed. From their viewpoint, the surface world would look chaotic and dangerous. Imagine having advanced technology but watching a species on the surface using weapons on each other. Or maybe they're not hiding in fear, they're simply waiting. Waiting for Earth's surface to stabilize. Waiting for climate to calm. Waiting for humanity to evolve past violence. Thousands of years mean nothing to a civilization that can live underground forever. But there's another possibility. What if Atlantis was not native to Earth at all? If they arrived from somewhere else, underground living would protect them from radiation, meteors, hostile climate, or anything they didn't understand about early Earth. Underground would be the safest place for an advanced species to settle. And if they still live there, deep below our feet, their technology could be centuries ahead of ours. Imagine medicine that heals instantly, power that never runs out, machines that think, cities without disease or hunger. A civilization without war, pollution, or extinction. One day, Humans might dig too deep and find something unexpected: metal that doesn't rust, tunnels perfectly smooth, walls that respond to touch. The first proof of Atlantis wouldn't be in the ocean, but beneath a mountain, a desert, or a frozen valley. The discovery would change everything. New energy sources could end fossil fuels. New technology could cure diseases. But the most important question would be, would Atlantis share their knowledge, or protect it from us? Because humans fear what they don't understand, governments would rush to control it. Militaries would want its power. Scientists would want to study it. In the chaos, Atlantis might be safer staying hidden forever. But if we ever earn their trust, if humanity proves it can protect its own planet instead of harming it, maybe the doors to the underground world will finally open. Not as conquerors, not as explorers, but as equals. So maybe Atlantis isn't lost at all. Maybe it's waiting, not at the bottom of the sea, but in the silent darkness beneath our feet, watching us, studying us, and deciding if the world above is ready.